Justice retired BP Katake, who heads the single-member committee constituted by the High Court of Meghalaya, today informed that a little over 75,000 metric tons Reverified, Reinventorised gold is left to be transported to the designated depots, and 15 days' time have been given to the district administration to complete it, informing that the transportation of the Reinventorised gold is almost completed in the 3 districts of Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, South Garo Hills, he said, in East Jaintia Hills. Of 1.3 lakh metric ton of coal, they have transported over 60,000 metric ton, and now over 70,000 metric ton is remaining. He has also directed the Deputy Commissioner of East Jaintia Hills to verify about the existence of the 70,000 metric tons of coal that is yet to be transported to the designated depot.
The depot or to a temporary depot to be identified by the government. And it appears that out of 4 districts, except in East Jaintia Hills district, other districts almost completed the transportation of reassessed, re-verified inventory coal. In East Jaintia Hills district, earlier it was around 1.3 lakh metric ton of coal which was to be left to be transported. Now, in the meantime, they have transported almost little over 60,000 metric ton, and now little over 70,000 metric ton is such coal is yet to be transported from Pithet to the designated depot.